bags for myself too, because you know, sis, you know, we can't just be having these men buying all this stuff for us and we ain't got it going on. What Gunna said, she a dime, but she ain't got a dime, and that don't make no sense, okay? What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So I have not done one of these in a long time. This is going to be an unboxing because I gotta show y'all my new baby girl. So if you have been watching my channel, you guys know that I have a few pieces, okay? I don't have too many, but I have a few. I feel like every woman should have her pieces. They don't always have to be designer. They can be from any brand, any company. However, you need those pieces that, you know, just, you know, take you a little bit over the edge, especially if you're a minimalist. Like for myself, I'll talk about, you know, how I dress, things of that sort. So as you guys may or may not know, I love to put it on. In Atlanta words, I love to put that ish on, seriously. So prior to, I would say that my style has changed a lot over the years because I always, you know, wore a lot of basics. So I did a lot of just plain white shirt, plain black shirt, and then I did a lot of accessorizing to, you know, amp it up or take it to the next level. So I would say that my style has not changed that much. However, what I have incorporated into my wardrobe, more so as of recently, is like those statement pieces. I had like a hard time with buying statement pieces, you know, back in the day because I always felt like, okay, when you buy a statement piece, like literally sometimes you can't wear it again. Like you done spent all this money buying a statement piece just for you not to be able to wear it again. I just feel like, Like for me, I just like to have, you know, again, I like to do my basics. Then I like to have me a little bag or have the shoe or, you know, maybe the accessory, things of that sort. So that's pretty much like how I go about my choice of style. So with that said, or as of recently, I said, okay, let me just buy a couple more bags just so I can have my pieces. I shop with many different people. I get bags from Target. I have my black owned businesses. I have my Brandon Blackwood bag. I have my Telfar bag. So I would say that I'm very versatile in the type of bags that I purchase. Some of my more higher end bags that I have, my man bought me one. Well, he bought me three, okay, maybe like 3 bags, 4. Okay, anyway, that's besides the point. What I'm saying is, like, I buy bags for myself too because, you know, sis, you know, we can't just be having these men buying all this stuff for us and we ain't got it going on. What Gunna said, she a dime, but she ain't got a dime, and that don't make no sense, okay? So we ain't gonna be doing it like that. But anyway, without further ado, I just wanted to give y'all a little background on, you know, me and like my preference and, you know, what I think of when it comes to style and things of that sort. So as of recently, I bought me a new baby. That's what I'm gonna call her, a new baby. So as you guys know, summer is just started. It's like midsummer now, and I just feel like this is a color that every woman needs for the summer. It's just bomb. Like I had to have it. And I looked at a few different companies as far as like what kind of color bag I like, what brand I want to go with. But I'm just sold, and I've always wanted one of these bags. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. All right, guys, so this is the brand. I know you guys see the video, so you guys already know. This is what it comes with. So I'm guessing this is just like some stickers or stuff. I don't know if you're supposed to put this. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this, but yep, this is what they have, and then, you know, everything of that sort. So this is cute. This is cute. And this is how it comes. This is the duffel bag. Y'all, first of all, okay, so before I get into, you know, how the bag looks and everything, I was very nervous to buy this bag online, and let me tell you why. So I live in Atlanta, and not to my knowledge, I don't think we have this brand in our stores. So I was pretty nervous because I was like, okay, if I buy this brand, like, and people see like, oh, okay, they're gonna be like, I'm still in that. Because I mean, just think about it. Like, I would never buy like a Gucci bag, Louis Vuitton bag, and to get it shipped to me. Like, I would go in the store and purchase it because people see those brands and they already know, like, oh, I hit a lick. Or if they see Farfetch, or, you know, just companies that people mostly buy designer items. I was very nervous about this. I was like, dang, I'm gonna have to dispute that. But thank God it came, and it comes in a, like, even the box it came in, I'm not gonna show y'all because my address is on it. But like, it doesn't say the company, like, it doesn't say the brand or nothing. So people just didn't even know what this was. So that is a plus, ladies. Okay, so the name. So I'm gonna be honest, y'all, because y'all know I keep it real. I didn't know how to pronounce this designer, so I had to look it up. And Jacquemus, that's how you say it. That's how you say the brand. So I wanted to make sure that I was saying it right, because y'all, I was saying Jacquemus, Jacquemus. I was saying all kind of crazy stuff, y'all. I'm from Georgia, y'all, so y'all know how we are. But nonetheless, it is pronounced Jacquemus. So it is French, and he is a designer. So we're gonna get into this bag. So, y'all, this is what I got. Isn't she beautiful? Like, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, this bag is beautiful to me. Like, I just love the color. The color is called, it's like a T word, but essentially it's like an orange. It's like a burnt orange color. Love this bag. So this one is the medium size. So this one is not that small one. So you guys know, when this bag first came out, they only had that one size, and it's like the micro mini size that absolutely cannot fit anything. And so I never, although you guys, if you watch this channel, you know that I love me a mini bag. So I researched this bag a few times on YouTube just to ensure that, you know, I was getting the right thing, because I just did, oh Lord Jesus, I just did not want to get like the larger one, because I also thought about getting the grand one. And I was like, I think that one is a little bit too big, and I like my bags to be, you know, this is perfect. Like, for what I like, I need a little bag. So I'm about to show y'all what all I can fit inside of this bag. This is my first time opening it. Oh, look at it, y'all. It's so cute. All right, so there's the tag, and then this is, I'm assuming, the straps. Okay, I'm gonna open it later, but okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. So you guys can see, this is the bag. So this is my phone, iPhone 11. This is the 11. Let me see if we can get her in there. Oh, it's tight. It's tight, y'all. So this is what it looks like, and you kind of have to put it sideways. I'm gonna be honest, y'all. I love this bag so much, and I wouldn't want to take it back. So I'm probably not, but I'm a little disappointed a bit, only because when you put it in there, it fits, but now it's just like, I'm literally like forcing this to close. Oh, well, maybe it's not that bad. Hold on, y'all. Like, look at it. It's already lopsided. Let me just work on this bag. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna be honest. It's not giving what it's supposed to have gave. I'm gonna be honest, y'all. Like, look at that. It's like, I don't know if I'm not forcing it in there, but honestly, I don't. This bag is true leather, so I don't want to like mess up the integrity of the bag. Like, I don't want it to be all wonky because I'm trying to fit my phone in there. So I'm probably not. And I actually have a bag, my Gucci bag. It's a wallet. I actually have a few bags actually that I actually cannot put my phone in. So I think I'm still gonna keep her, and she's just gonna stay with me regardless, because at the end of the day, like, I just don't even want to have to like, it's okay. Some bags are not gonna have room for you to put them in, so that's all good. But outside of that, this is the back of the bag. And then this is the front. I think this bag is cute. I guess if you have a phone, because I have the Pro or the Plus, the big one. I guess if you have like a smaller phone, you might be straight. But I ain't gonna lie, ladies. I think this is cute. I think it's perfect. I'm gonna see if I can wear it like this. Not really. But nonetheless, I think this is super cute. I think you guys, look. Summertime is not over. This is a cute fall bag as well. So it's not even just about wearing it in the summer. You can wear this in fall. You can wear this in the winter. I just think this is a nice color bag. It's not too orange to where you know, like, just like bright and blinding you. It's not that orange, but it's like that perfect color that, again, I feel like, and then it has the gold right here. Like, that is beautiful. So I just wanted to show you guys my new purchase, and I love her. I think she's super cute. I have not showed her to the world yet, so you guys are the first to see her. I probably will wear her at the end of this month. So yeah, love it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing video. I know I went on a tangent about other things, but at the end of the day, you know, I like to keep it personal, child. But yes, if you guys love this bag, if you have this bag or are interested in getting this bag, leave me a comment below. Again, this is the medium. I think it's called the Laquito. Y'all, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. It's like the Laquito, Lachito. Look it up. All right, so I'm back. Again, this bag is the Laquito. Le Chiquito. This bag is the Le Chiquito Moyen. So I know, y'all, it's my accent, and yeah, don't talk about me. But nonetheless, this is what would be considered the medium size between the micro mini bag they have and the grande. So here we are. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you guys in the next video.